Hey, what's up, your faith family? What's up? We got us a rotisserie chicken today. Just one, because we can't eat two. We might look like we can eat two, but we can't. No, honestly, I cooked today. And this is what I had a taste for. And I made me some butter sauce. I can't show you because it'll flip.
So you put some herbs in there too?
Yep. Hey. And we just jamming. We don't own the rights to this music. About your mother.
Oh my God. Come on,
Let's get it started, okay? Don't tie off your leg. We finna get sloppy today. Everybody's talking. Look at that. You want the butter sauce? I gotta put this towel right here. Because we finna be eating. I got them from Walmart.
You know them rotisserie shit, they don't cost that much at Walmart. Butter sauce good.
I know. I got Queen Messiah sitting over there mad.
I'm not mad.
Y'all seen the video today we did Bean Boozle.
You said Bean Boozle.
Bean Boozle jelly beans.
I done dropped a piece of chicken in there.
Everybody's talking. Y'all remember that? Won't let me live. Tell me why. Hey. That's my prerogative. It's my prerogative. I could do what I want to do. Y'all remember that?
They could hear it.
Tell me why. Live my life. If you was a 90s in the 90s, you remember that 70 babies. Yo, Teddy, kick it like this. Oh, no. I see why Prissy P and her husband was tying this up. This is good. And the butter sauce.
This pop all nice and cold.
Cold and some crush. I don't know if y'all can get some burps out of her.
I feel a little bit better, y'all. A little bit better than yesterday.
Yeah.
It's like this cold is taking itself.
This is good. You need some Coke, don't you?
I'm burnt.
I'll make this. Right, Ted?
Nah, she irritating.
You know, me and her get together, we always have fun. This butter sauce is good. I put some garlic salt, onion, salt in it, a little Italian herbs, a little of Louisiana hot sauce in it. Bam! She ain't gonna get no long one.
I'm gonna get a long one. Let's go, Cole. I ain't rushing.
Look at her, can't help herself.
I ain't rushing.
That's Queen Messiah standing over there. Can't help herself.
Damn.
Look.
I want some.
Look at I hope y'all having a good evening.
This chicken is mighty delicious.
It's delicious.
That's my
Today.
Stevie J face.
Ew.
The cat look.
Sorry. All night long. Hey. Talk to me.
Hey. We can fall in love. It's like that. It's like that. Every little step I take, you will be there. Every little step I will be together. Every little step. Telephone.
I'm gonna tear up this chicken.
This what I ate. I made like some elbow macaroni with ground beef and
It was fire, y'all.
sauce and cheese and some cheese bread. I just didn't want that. Here, Queen McGregor. Come on, baby. Come on over here and get you a little piece of chicken. That's okay. It's okay. Oh! Every little step. We're just having a good time tonight. Feeling good, feeling blessed, feeling positive. Hey,
Woo! Very fresh.
Say some for me. Done.
I'm getting full. This butter sauce is good.
That's what they call me. Bobby was a fool back then.
Yes, he was. Can y'all believe he was with Jenny?
I couldn't believe that.
I couldn't believe that either. So I seen the story. Bobby got around.
That don't make no damn sense.
What?
You.
It's like that. It's like that. You will be there every little step I make. Ooh, look at that. Look at that. I'm gonna have to clean up. I'm making a mess too, ain't it? It's not that messy. Ooh, look at that. Look at that butter sauce. Getting out some good burps. Hey! Without that life brings a change.
You try to do my did.
All I keep thinking about is in my until you was mine. And my friends keep telling me to, you got to cool it now. We're gonna lose control. We're gonna fall in love. It's one of a kind. All I keep thinking about is you in my life. Until you subscribe and your friends keep telling you to thumbs up. In control. You got to cool it now. We almost demolished this. We're gonna fall in love.
Y'all see my damn red is fading, it's turned into orange.
Tell she stayed a blonde. She's a sandy blonde. We finished with this. We got to get y'all the finale. Listen to me, let me tell you, burp it on, it's come to me, tell me what life is supposed to be. Some good burp. Hey. Slow it down. Slow it down. For your towel. Okay, family. If you're not a part of the Yo Faith family, please subscribe, give us thumbs up, give us comments,
Make
let
sure
us know.
y'all subscribe and give us some thumbs up, okay?
Mr. Telephone Man, there's something wrong with my mind. When I down my line. I'm sorry. Mr. Telephone Man, there's something wrong with my line. When I dial my baby's number, click every time. We love y'all, and we'll be seeing y'all later. Peace out.